these topics are not to be debated. The CAA is to be accepted by the people. 370, 35A is to be accepted by the people of this country, because these are good laws. The mistake, though I belong to a particular political party, but I have my views as a citizen of this country. We made mistake for 70 years. And why we should continue with these mistakes? But if you go and make a study of what happened in Pakistan, as I just mentioned, I have my relation who has migrated to America and to Canada. 20,000 Christian population is sold to China as sex slaves. So naturally the population figure will not be balanced. So there are many flaws here. So I don't think it is anybody's business to convince us on 370 and 35A. It is there in the Constitution. Constitution has been amended. And it is not people across the border to dictate to us what we should do. What should we do about laws passed by our parliament? Any law passed by the parliament, whether the opposition oppose or not, it is to be accepted, because these are the laws of the country. If I don't want to vote for a prime minister, if that prime minister is not of my party, but he is my prime minister, he is prime minister of India, I think this logic should be understood.